Hey guys, how's it going? Now, do you live in the downtown Seattle area? And are you having any free time this weekend? Well, guess what? This weekend we have HempFest. On the August 19th, 20th, and 21st, that's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you can head on down to the Seattle Waterfront Parks and come take a look at the 25th annual Seattle HempFest. Now, what is Seattle HempFest? Now, Seattle HempFest is a very, very large and in-charge cannabis culture event. There are 5 main stages, hundreds and hundreds of vendors, and many, many delicious food vendors as well. I'm going to be looking forward to. And not only that, but it's your chance to meet and network with a lot of people that are in the industry and involved. I'll be looking forward to the people who are glass artists and extract artists, and hopefully gain back some good footage with you guys. If you guys are heading out there, let me know. Drop a comment, send a tweet, send me an Instagram, call me on the phone, postage, snail mail, Pony Express. Oh well, hopefully see you guys out there and have a good weekend.